welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I thought I'd show you something else that I've ordered. This is diamond painting related. This was ordered off AliExpress, and this took a total of 18 days to get to me, which I don't think is too bad at all, but it's just all wrapped up. So basically what I've ordered is some of these cover sheets that you can buy for covering your diamond painting while in use. Now they don't look to be as though they're only one side that can be used. They're not major thick paper, but they are sort of waxy, slippery on both sides. I ordered the pack of 50, but that's because I know my daughter will want to pinch some. So I figured I may as well just, you know, go with that right from the beginning. And these cost £4.76 for 50 sheets. So let's give them a go. So I'm just going to pull down my current diamond paintings, and I'm just going to find one that is a full drill. Okay, so this one's a full drill that I've not done yet. This one is from Fancels, but the idea is that you can use these instead of the clear cover. Now the idea is that you can look, just quite simply place those down instead, and then you can peel those up to work per section. So that goes down and peels up very well. What about the other way up? Other way up as well. So it doesn't matter which way round that you do them. This is slightly overhanging, but that's because the glue on this one is slightly overhanging. And I'm guessing, depending on how big your painting is, depends on how you'd put them. You can of course also cut them down if you found that you wanted to, especially if you tend to work in smaller sections. But you can then have a canvas that's ready to go, but you're only concentrating on the piece that you've decided to work on. I'm not sure if actually half of that size would be quite nice, you know, as maybe sort of a size to work with, but you can cut them down, say, to what works for you. So what size are these? Let's have a look. So each individual piece is 10.5 centimetres or 4 inches, and then it is by just under 15 centimetres and just under 6 inches. So just under the size of a photo, 6x4, if you think, 6x4 inch photo, just under the size of that, not quite as long. But I thought these would be good, say, for these clear canvases. And I'm finding that they're sticking, but they're not, you know, in any way tough to use. Like, they're not really sticking, and you don't feel as though you're taking the sticky away with them when you lift them up. I don't know what they'd be like picking up. No, they don't feel too tacky sticky, so it's not as though they're going to pick up you know, bits of fluff and stuff on them, though of course I'll keep them in a clear bag when I'm not using them. But yeah, I'm happy with those. That one in the middle is stuck down a little bit more. I'm going to put my clear cover back on for now, though it is ripped a bit, and I can't remember. No, it was still alright. I was trying to remember, I was trying to work out if I'd actually stuck it down the right way, because these can be quite tough to lift up if you put them down the wrong way. That would have been entertaining now, wouldn't it? So yeah, £4.76 for 50 is what I chose. I will pop the link down below. You can get them in sets of 10, 20, 50, 100, 200 and 500 pieces. So there's lots of variety. 10 pieces is £1.96, 20 is £2.84. I say 50 pieces at the moment is showing us £4.91. I paid £4.76, but that's just the fluctuation in, they normally I think put them up in the price of American dollars, and we just get the conversion rate for the day that you're looking. So prices can fluctuate by a few pence anyway. But yeah, I'm happy with those. I need to find something to put them in to keep them safe, but I'll definitely be using these when I'm working on clear cover paintings. Not that I hate the clear covers, I actually don't so much mind them. What I do find when I'm working on the clear covers though is I see colours further up, so I tend to find myself chasing a lot. There's not really a system to it, and I prefer, you know, working on a particular section. So I prefer, for example, on this to pull this back and work on that section. But then when I'm doing a colour, I'll be like, oh, there's just a few more there, just a few more there, and before you know it, you're not working on the section you were on. So I like the idea of covering it up. But yeah, if that's something that you're after, I will pop the link in the description below. There are a few places that sell these, but I just picked the best sort of price, shipment, whatever else, best price that I could see at the time of ordering, and say these only took 18 days to get to me, so I'm pretty happy with that overall. But yeah, there we go. That is my unboxing for today. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.